Hello again. We're gonna learn to knit the first row of knit stitch on top of the cast on. So to do that, I'm gonna hold the needle with my left hand, pick up the yarn like this. The tail was a little longer than I probably needed it, and we can either cut it right here and then weave it through, or leave it all together, and then if you're knitting a garment, you can use it later to just sew it together. Or what I usually do, actually, I just pick them both together and knit them in the first row, and that way it's all knitted together and you don't have to deal with it later. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up the first stitch, because you usually just with the first stitch you just pick it up and start knitting with the second one. Okay, so here's the knit stitch. I insert my needle through the back loop right here. Again, that's the Eastern European style of knitting. Insert it like this, and my yarn is right there. I pick it up like this, hold it, bring it through the loop, and let go of the loop from the yarn, from the needle, I mean. Let's do it again. Insert my needle, pick up the yarn, bring it through. Insert the needle, pick up the yarn, kind of using this middle finger to gauge it, to move it through. Insert, pick up the yarn, through, let go. I'm going to do it slow again a couple more times, and then I'm going to go a little faster. Insert, pick up the yarn right there, just like that. Bring it through. Let go. Insert, pick up the yarn, let it go. Insert, pick up the yarn, let go. So I'm almost done with the first row, and then when I'm done with that row, I'm going to show you how to do the purl stitch. So I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be all about the purl stitch.